Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. When it's ready, access it in the background. If you are using Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select split screen. Then tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!